Have you ever wanted to find a government document, but you were unsure of how or where to find it? A government document is any information, record, or document that is produced by the government on the federal, state, and local level. HathiTrust is a great resource to use for finding government documents. HathiTrust is a digital library that compiles resources online from institutions all over the world. They have two options for searching. You can search using full text, or you can search using the catalog. Full text search is the most common form of search, and you're probably more used to this type of search. It is used on websites like Google and in UH's OneSearch. Its searches uses descriptors of the text like author and subject, as well as all of the information in the full text of the document. This form of search is really useful if you are unsure of the title. The documents do have to be digitized in full text for you to be able to search the text of the document. The catalog search is different because it only searches descriptive information. The list of the descriptive information that you can search is author, title, subject, ISBN, publisher, and series title. You have to know this information before performing your search, so this type of search is better if you already know what you are looking for. For an example today, we are going to be talking about Rachel Carson. Rachel Carson helped to launch the environmental movement in the 1960s when she published the book Silent Spring, which is about the dangers of DDT. Because of all of her research, she was asked to testify before Congress in 1963. We are going to use HathiTrust today to see if we can find that government document that has her testimony in it. Before we begin, we should consider what information that we already know. Do we know the specific information like title and author? With government documents, some of those specifics might be the committee name, the legislative number, or the bill title. And if we know these things, the catalog search is better. Do we only know the topic or keywords? If so, then full text search is better. If you would like to follow along, I'm going to show you an example of how you can use full text and catalog search in HathiTrust to find government documents like the one for Rachel Carson. We are going to start our example with the full text search. We are going to search Rachel Carson, 1963, Congress. We're going to use all of these keywords because we know Rachel Carson testified before Congress in 1963, so all of these keywords should end up in our result. If you look through the results, you'll find this result here has all the elements. Let's click on this and see what we find. If you scroll down to the content section of the document, you'll see that under statements it says Rachel Carson, so we know that this is the document that we are looking for. Now that we have more information, we can do a catalog search. We are going to do a Boolean search for Pesticide Research and Controls and 88th Congress. It is important that you spell out 88th Congress because it needs to match exactly how it is written in the title. With this information, we can now find the document using the catalog search. Now we're going to do a self-assessment. Because Rachel Carson testified before Congress, those congressional minutes and her testimony can be found in other government documents where they referenced her testimony or any of her research. Let's see if you can use HathiSearch, full text, and catalog search to see what other government documents Rachel Carson might be in. When you are finished with this assessment, fill out the short quiz at the end of the slide and below. Thank you!